Today I'm going to explain our exterior house painting process. Hi, I'm Mark, the owner of Spray and Coat Painting, and exterior home painting is one of the first services that we started offering. The first paint job I did over 20 years ago was painting the exterior of an old early 1900s home. So our process includes 4 components, and it's really basic. It's a good plan, the right prep work, the right products, and the right people. So we start with building a good plan. What we like to do is come out to the property and walk around the property with the homeowner or the project manager, whoever's in charge of the project, and identify what needs done. And sometimes there's some obvious things like, well, we need to apply paint to this building or this home. But then there's less obvious things like, okay, well, what about some of the siding repair or stucco that's starting to fail? What about the gutters? What about the metal? What about the handrails? What about the fence? So what we want to do is we really want to get a comprehensive review of the property so we can build a good plan as to what needs done. So we start there. Once we've done that, we're going to start the prep process. And so we're going to come to a home or a commercial building, and we're going to try to remove any failing paint. And that's obviously going to be an important step. So we're going to scrape and sand peeling paint, and then we're going to come back and prime those areas. We're also going to repair all the caulking on the home. And so we're going to identify what caulking needs done to make sure the home is sealed up and protected. Other prep work includes masking. So we're going to mask off the windows, the roofing, walkways on the ground, really just going to protect anything that we don't want to get paint on. So once that prep work phase of the project's completed, then we're going to start with the painting. And part of building a great plan is identifying what products do we want to use for this home or business. And there's dozens of different types of exterior paint. And so what we're typically going to do is, depending on the project and the goals of the customer, is we're going to present 2 or 3 different products, kind of a good, better, best approach, and help the client select the right product to meet their goals. Other than the prep work and the products, the other component is really the people side. So that's going to be the people showing up to do the actual work. We're proud of the high quality trained painters we have here at Spray and Coat Painting. And so we're going to have a team that's going to come to the home or business, and that's going to take their time to really understand the project, meet the homeowner or business owner for the property, and they're going to really work through this plan now. And they're people that have really a value on craftsmanship, quality, cleanliness, professionalism. So that way, when we get through this whole project, the customer is really happy with the results and had a great experience. So that's an overview of our exterior home or business painting process.